नमस्कार, मी निलिमा कदम. गणित इयत्ता 8वी. चौकोन, क्वाड्रिलॅटरल कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स अँड टाइप्स. चौकोन रचना व चौकोनाचे प्रकार. हाय, आय एम अ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल. चौकोन. चौकोन म्हणजेच चारही बाजूनी बंदिस्त असलेली बहुभुजाकृती होय. चौकोनाच्या 4 आंतरकोनांची बेरीज 360 अंश असते. हे गुणधर्म आपण अभ्यासलेले आहेत. तर चौकोन हे चौकोनाचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार. तर चौकोन काढण्यासाठी एकूण आपल्याला 10 घटक जे असतात त्यापैकी कमीत कमी 5 घटक असतील तर आपण चौकोन रचना करू शकतो हे आपण बघितलं. आता या चौकोनाचे म्हणजेच या आकृतीच्या बाजू व कोनांवर वेगवेगळ्या अटी घातल्या की आपल्याला चौकोनाचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार मिळतात. रोम्बस म्हणजे समभुज चौकोन, स्क्वेअर चौरस, काईट पतंग, ट्रॅपेझियम समलंब चौकोन, पॅरलेलोग्राम समांतरभुज चौकोन आणि रेक्टँगल म्हणजेच आयत. तर हे चौकोनाचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत. आता आपण या चौकोनाच्या काही गुणधर्मांचा आपण अभ्यास इयत्ता 7वी मध्ये केलेला आहे. आयत, चौरस म्हणजे काय हे आपल्याला माहिती आहे. पण या गुणधर्मांचा उपयोग करून कशा प्रकारे आपण उदाहरणं सोडवू शकतो हे आता बघणार आहोत. आयत म्हणजे काय? तर ज्या चौकोनाचे चारही कोन काटकोन असतात त्या चौकोनाला काटकोन चौकोन किंवा आयत म्हणतात. म्हणजेच आयत हा काटकोन चौकोन असतो. Rectangle, if all angles of a quadrilateral are right angles, it is called rectangle. Right angle means 90 degree. So here the first property of rectangle is, we come to know that all the angles of a rectangle are of 90 degree, right? All angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. And so it is called a rectangle. So what are the properties? First property, opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. See here, AD congruent BC. This is one pair, and another AB congruent DC. So opposite sides are congruent. सम्मुख भुजा एकरूप असतात. All angles of a quadrilateral, that is rectangle, are right angles, and then only it is called as a rectangle. So if all angles of a quadrilateral are right angle, then it is a rectangle. So all angles of a rectangle are right angles. Diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Now in this picture you can see this AC and BD. These are two diagonals of rectangle ABCD. AC one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. Now these diagonals are congruent. दोन्ही कर्ण एकरूप असतात. Now these diagonals, they bisect each other. So diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other, and therefore here we will see that at point E both the diagonals are bisecting each other, and therefore length AE equal to length EC. Similarly, length DE equal to length EB. So these are the properties of rectangle. Next, square, chaurus. If all sides and all angles of a quadrilateral are congruent, it is called a square. See, all sides, चौकोनाच्या चारही बाजू एकरूप असतील आणि सर्व कोण काटकोन असतील तर अशा आकृतीला चौरस म्हणतात. Now properties of a square. First property, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Now diagonals, that is AD and BC, these are the diagonals of a square ABCD. Now these diagonals are perpendicular to each other. See here, 90 degree. They are perpendicular to each other. Similarly, they bisect each other. So, diagonals of a square bisect each other and they are perpendicular to each other. Third property, diagonals of a square are of equal length and means they are congruent to each other. दोन्ही कर्ण समान लांबीचे असतात म्हणजेच ते एकरूप असतात. कर्ण, see here, this is also one important property of a square. कर्ण चौरसाचे सम्मुख कोन दुभागतात. See here. So these are, so AD is a bisector of angle BDC. DA is a bisector of angle BDC. Similarly, AD is a bisector of angle BAC. So, diagonals bisect the opposite angles. The कर्ण चौरसाचे सम्मुख कोन दुभागतात. And suppose this is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, here angle BA, suppose I have taken here O. So, BAO will be, how much it is? They are of both same measure. So, this is, yes, it is 45 because all angles are 90 degree. So, angle BAO is 45 degree. This is O. And angle OAC is also 45 degree. Similarly, this side 45, 45. This also 45, 45. And this also 45, 45. 4. 676 minus 576 equal to other side square. Subtracting, we will get 100 is equal to second side square. And therefore, taking the square root of both the sides, other side is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, other side of that rectangle will be 10 centimeter. तर त्या आयताची दुसरी बाजू 10 सेंटीमीटर असेल. नेक्स्ट, बाजू 8 सेमी असलेल्या चौरसाच्या कर्णाची लांबी काढा. Find the length of a diagonal of a square with side 8 centimeter. Now, square side is given 8 centimeter and we have to find out the diagonal of that square. Draw one figure, diagram of square. Name it ABCD. Draw diagonal AD and side given is 8 centimeter. Now this is a square. Therefore all sides are of equal length. Therefore all sides, how much it is? 8 centimeter. Okay. Now the angles of a square are of 90 degree. This property also we have learned. Therefore, in triangle ABD, angle B is 90 degree, angle of a square. Therefore, according to Pythagorean theorem, which is 90 degree above the side in front of 90 degrees hypotenuse. Therefore, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Here hypotenuse is AD, Therefore, AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. Now, AB 8, BD 8. Okay, because side of the square. Therefore, AD square equal to 8 square plus 8 square, right? That is equal to 64 plus 64. 64 plus 64, that is 128. Therefore, AD square equal to 128. Taking the square root of both the sides, AD is equal to under square root 128. 128 means 64 into 2. 64 is a whole square. Therefore, AD is equal to taking the square root of 64, that is 8, and under root 2. Therefore, AD will be equal to 8 root 2. So, we have find out the length of diagonal, that is AD, is 8 root 2 centimeter. The length of a diagonal of a square is 8 root 2 centimeter. From this, we can understand one property, one more property of a square, that the diagonal of a square is root 2 times its sides. तर चौरसाचा कर्ण हा त्याच्या बाजूच्या वर्गमुळात 2 पट असतो. शिष्यवृत्तीसाठी तुम्हाला या प्रॉपर्टीचा, या गुणधर्माचा उपयोग होऊ शकतो. The length of a diagonal of a square is root 2 into its side. Root 2 times its side. Okay? याच गुणधर्मांवर आधारित ही उदाहरणं तुम्ही सोडवून बघा आणि या उदाहरणांचा सराव करा. पुढच्या भागामध्ये आपण अशाच प्रकारे चौकोनाच्या इतर प्रकारांचे जे गुणधर्म आहेत त्याविषयी जाणून घेणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट लिहा आणि असेच व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक यू.